Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Banana Cat. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the face, starting with the eyes. In the center, let's draw a curve up and over, and then another curve underneath. Now let's move over and let's do the left eye in the same way, but a little bit more skinny. Now inside each eye, let's add a small circle on the top right. And then color both of the eyes in black. Next, let's hop between the eyes and let's draw the nose, starting with a line across. And then angled lines underneath to form a triangle shape. Now underneath the nose, let's draw a curve going out in both directions for the mouth. Now that we have the face, let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the sides next to the eyes and let's draw two V-shaped points out like this. Then from the top, let's curve it up. Add 2 points at the top, and then curve it back down on the right. And now let's close it off at the bottom with a curve across. Lastly, inside near the top, let's draw 3 small points up like this. And that's it for the head. Now let's move out and start drawing the body. Let's start on the top left of the head and let's draw a curve up and over to the right. Now at the top, let's draw a small curve over. And then curve it back down, stopping just under the head. Next, let's move back up to the top and let's draw 2 curves going up. And then close off the top. And now inside from the top, let's draw an angled line down. Next, let's move down underneath the left side of the head and let's draw a curve down and curve it out to the left. And then another curve next to it on the right. Now let's move to the sides and add the arms. Starting on the left, let's draw a curve out and curve it back in like this. Then let's add a finger with a U-shaped curve down and then bring it back to the body. Now let's hop over to the right side and let's start with a curve down. Now from the top, let's draw a curve down. Then from the bottom line, let's curve it out slightly. Add the thumb with a curve down. And then one more curve to close off the end. And then inside, let's draw 2 curves for the fingers. And that's it for the hands. Now let's move down and finish drawing the body. Let's start underneath the right arm and let's continue the body by curving it down and to the left. Now at the end, let's draw a bump up for the top of the leg. Now for the leg, let's draw 2 angled lines down, a curve down on the right, and an angle down on the left. And then a curve at the bottom to close it off. Now let's move back up and let's continue the body line by curving it over to the left. And then closing off the end with a curve. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the last leg. Let's start with an angle down. Then on the left, let's add a bent line. and angle down, and then close off the bottom. And that's it for Banana Cat. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!